If you want to install push notification button on your Blogger, then this video is for you. Let's go to the computer screen. Type OneSignal in a new tab of your browser and open the website onesignal.com. Click on the sign up button which you will see on your top right screen. Scroll little bit and you can sign up with your Google or Facebook or even GitHub ID. After sign up, click on the new app/website button on your top right screen or also available at bottom of the page. Then you have to enter the name of your website. Like I am entering Ads of the India. Then you have to enter the name of your organization. Click Web button. And then click Configure your platform button. You have to click on typical website. Then type your site name. Type your website URL. As I am typing adsoftheindia.com. Now go to default icon URL. Click Upload button. Click Choose button. I prefer square logo. Click Save button. Go to third section Permission Prompt Setup. For customized your notification, click Push Slide Prompt. You can change the message by sliding Customize Prompt Text by sliding it on icon. To remove Later button, you have to delete text. You can disable anytime. And in button 1, remove text later and type dot. In the delay section, I will reduce the time to 5 seconds. Click Done button. Go to section 4. If you want to show customized thank you message, then type your message here. You can see the preview on the right side. Nothing changed in section 5. Click Save button at bottom. Go to section 7. Copy the code by clicking the blue button. Open your Blogger in the new tab. Go to Theme section. Click down arrow button. Just right to Customize button. And click Edit HTML. Add this code to Head section. So just paste your code below head tag and click Save button at right side of the screen. After update successful visible, go back to OneSignal website and click Finish button at bottom. Now go to your Blogger URL and refresh your website. And after 5 seconds you will see the push notification button. Voila! For more updates, subscribe our channel. And if you are a graphic designer, then adsoftheindia.com website is for you. Thanks for watching.